So from there, since I'm having this main horizontal center, I can divide this 38 into 2. So 38 into 2 is 17, 19. So I'm going to say 19 this other side, 19 this other side. You understand? Because I can simply put it at 19. This is my 19, isn't it? So I mark it 38. 38. 38. This is 38. I mark it 38 and mark it 0. You understand? So can project horizontal finish line. Then from there we are told what is 10 millimeter. This one, 10 millimeter. This one. You understand? So this is 10. I mark it 0. 5, 10. You understand? Still one and same thing. So finish line and finish line. How long is it supposed to be? So I've gotten this one. So you see this one is not a sharp corner. You understand? So as much as it's not sharp corner, supposed to use this set square. There you go. In this other side. There you go. Then from here till here, it's going to be determined by that radius. Okay. Then from here till the center is 33. So which means from this center that we have, remember this center was given by what? By this dimension of 110. So from this center that we have, it's going to be 33. So I can record it is 33 to any horizontal line. 34, 33 is right there. You understand? So this one is going to give me the other center line. So I can draw it right from my front view, going vertically down towards what? Your top view. So I can stop here. You understand? So now I know what obviously is going to pass this center line of mine just a little bit. So what I've done this other side is supposed to do it there. Why? Because of check it. You understand? So I can do it here again. So there you go. And from here, so I've gotten this one. They said this one is supposed to be at an angle of 60. Okay, that's not a problem. So now let's get it from here till here, from here till there. You understand? That one, it should be given by what? By this radius. By this radius. So once you have your centers, everything is going to be simple. So since I'm having this center, I'm gonna go back with what? With a 60 millimeter. Simple, straightforward. 60 millimeter. There you go. So this 60, what is it giving us? This 60 is giving us the center line of this one. Okay, I will draw it. Let me project it up till at my what? At my front view, and see what is it giving me. You see this one. this center. So it's actually not giving us anything, you understand, there by our top view. There it goes, it's not giving us anything there by our top view. But then it is necessary, especially in our top view. In our front view, it's not giving us anything, my brother. So there it is. Then after that, we are going to be recording what? 18 millimeter. So from here where your 60 ends begins what? 18 millimeter. This is 20, this is 19, this is 18 millimeter. So a mark there. So this 18 millimeter is giving us the center of this radius 13. I think that would be the last center in terms of vertical centers. So draw it right from your front view as well. Go, you project it down. Then after that, that's when we can draw this one. But let's check, is it going to remain? If we are tracing the cutting plane AA, what is this one in our front view? What is this part in our front view? So this in our front view is actually that one. So if we cut, do you see that our cutting plane is above it? So when you are viewing the piece that you've cut it will be still there. It's going to remain. So we have to draw it the way as we can see it. So let's start with the smaller diameter. Is diameter, this is radius 13, which is this one. So this one is diameter what? Then check it nicely. This is radius 13, this is radius. Okay, so this one, remember, if the dimension seems to be missing on this view, you're supposed to check it on the other view, which is the front view. So from here till here is diameter 10. No, it's not going to be 10. It's going to be diameter 13. Diameter 13. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? This is radius 10. It's actually talking about this one. We were looking for the diameter of this one. It seems to be confusing, but it is actually not. So again, this one, diameter 13. This one, diameter 13. So the 33 times diameter 13. So which is 1, 2, 3 of the same diameter 13. You understand? So what we did here, we are going to do it right here. You understand? So there you go. Then from there I can simply open my drawing canvas to 13, of which is what I have done it already most here. So I can simply place my drawing canvas here, further till here, which is this one. They come and draw it dark. There you go. Can stop here. Can stop here. So I'll be going horizontally straight, but at the moment I'll draw it faint. You understand? Then we are told that please use radius 38 from where? From this point. From this point. Not that one, you understand? So radius 38. Radius 38. Take your drawing compass, open it to 38. 30, 40, 38, 39, this is 38. A1, 38. So I am going to place it right here and draw it dark from here till here. So I'll check it later if there is somewhere where I have to erase, but as far as I'm concerned, this one, it will remain like this, because if you cut here, okay, yeah, it's correct, because it will be cutted, it's in sectioned only. This one will change to dark, this one, it will remain there. From here till there, it will disappear, you understand, but this one, it will remain, only change to be solid altogether. So I am actually at the right track by drawing this one dark throughout. So now I can take this one horizontally, there you go, you understand. So there will be dark till where, till I have this one. So the set from here till here is 8mm, you understand. So I can simply record the 8mm. This is 10, this is 9, this is 8mm, you understand. So there is my 8mm. So the thickness of it, so I take it vertically up towards my front view as well, you understand. Okay, and then I hope you can see my faint line, guys. So I'm trying by means to construct them faint, so we are not given the radius there, so which means it's going to be right here and right there, and it will be, it's the inner one. So let me not draw it dark till here, because I don't know what's going to happen there up until I come and reanalyze my cutting plane. Right. Then if we are here, so if our hacksaw feather, it went straight up until it met this there by our, you see that I'm tracing it there by my front view, whereas I'm sectioning what I'm busy with, what with the top view. So it went up until it came across with this one. So what is this one in our top view? So this one is that one. So which means from here till here, my guy is supposed to disappear, I'm 100% sure. And again from here till here is supposed to disappear, so that this one, it will be solid, it will be solid, you understand. So that is why I cannot draw this one dark here for now, you understand. For now I cannot draw it dark. Okay, so what is the from here till there? So if you project this one towards the front view, you are going to find with this one tally with that, this one tally with this one with that, this one with that. Okay, so what is happening here? Let me solve this one before I go to my front view. Okay, okay, this one is just touching this, so it's going to be touching that one. So project it up, there you go, you understand. And once it gets to there, something of this nature. Right, so let me see what I can add now. So let's add the 8mm this other side, because what we just draw now is this one, it's the inner one. How about the outer one? So the outer one, we are simply going to using the same radius point, using the same reference point, you understand, draw this one. So I'll simply just record 8 millimeter, and so from here, this is 10, this is 9, this is 8 millimeter, you understand. So I just mark there. So I come back, place my drawing compass on the very same reference point where I draw this one, so it's the same point, and now further extend it to this part, to this point that I just got it. So I can now draw it. This other side, draw it faint for now, because you know what is going to be dark, you understand. So I mean it's going to disappear, so dark this other side. So somewhere here, like as we've analyzed, what is going to disappear. So that is why I didn't draw it dark here, you understand, which is this one, it's supposed to be disappearing. Okay, so now, so I'm gonna go horizontally, faint at the moment. So I construct this one, faint. How do you draw a faint line? You hold the pencil at the end like this and you pull. But when you draw a dark line, you hold your pencil like this and very close at an angle of 90 degrees and you push. You understand? But when you draw a faint line, even if you are using an HP pencil, you are going to obtain a faint line. Regardless of, you hold your pencil at the end softly, you pull. You understand? So we are given the radius on this one. The set radius. Please use radius 13. Please use radius 13. So what is my corner? Where is my corner? So my corner, it should be this one. So it should be that one. In this other side, it should be this one. So I'll simply open it to the 13 millimeter. So this is 12, this is 13, you understand. So I come and place it here and mark this other side and mark this one, this other side. There you go, it's the same 13%. So which means I must place my drawing compass here, you understand, place it here to get, it's supposed to be 45 degrees. Where's my 45? Let me check. This 45 is, so it shows that we are still at the right track. You understand? So again, this one was supposed to give me 45 degrees. Yes. So I'll simply now place my drawing compass here. So there you go, dark. No, which means I was supposed to just go down a little bit. I'll erase it. Radius 13. See, on this side is correct. So what is happening? Radius 13 is coming nicely. So this other side, I'm going to have it solid. There you go, solid straight. But the inner one, I'm not going to have it solid. So let me see, from here till here 13. Have to go back, go just a little bit. duck. So then here's my T-square. There you go. Yes. Then from there, what can be left now? Because this one, it will be actually be determined by that one, there by our what to call our front view. Okay, so here we are told what is radius 19, but how about this one from here till here? How about from here till here? Okay, is that 109? Is 110? We've already gotten it. That one, you still remember, is this one that we started with. So which means I'll simply say 19 divided by 2 is 80, is 8.9.5. Okay, so with this 9.5, simply open my triangle compass to 9.5, which is between 9 and 10, isn't it? Come and place it here. I mark the side and mark the side. So it's going to be dark. Let me check it nicely. It should be like this. Like this. So I can have it like this. So this one is the outer one. So the inner one is diameter 10. So remember, the inner one is diameter 10. So you can simply put it at 5 and mark at 10 and mark at 0. So, and it's going to be cutted. You see your hacksaw, your XX is actually running through it. So it's going to be dark and dark. But then remember, it's what it has got internal thread. So you're going to say 0.1 times 10 millimeter. So it's actually 1. Understand? So it's going to be, this is 0, this is my 1 millimeter, this is 10, this is my 9 millimeter. So something very small. There you go. There you go. So these are actually internal thread. So which means what you can screw here is the nut, a bolt. Even here it has got internal thread, but here it's not internal thread, which means the bolt that you're supposed to screw here is not supposed to be like this. So from here it should be just running. Once it gets there, that's when it's going to start to screw. You understand? Check it nicely. This here, it doesn't have threads. You understand? So it has got thread on that one. So which means you cannot put your bolt like this. Supposed to put so that the bolt head, it will be somewhere here, so that now it will start to screw. You get what I'm trying to say, right? So now what is going to happen now? Do I have this vertical, the center line, the big one, the main one? I do not have. It's supposed to be somewhere here. So they said 36, we did to relate it to this 33, but this 36 we didn't. So from here till here, 36, 35, 36. This is my 36. So I can mark here. 36. This is 60. This is 36. Yes, so that is the problem. This is correct. So draw it right from your top view, going down vertically towards what your running through your top view. Okay, so now then let me go back to my front view and have this. So it's supposed to start where? Supposed to start where I have to project. Do you see what this one correspond with this, and the second one correspond with that one? So you understand. So now I'll take this vertically up so that I know what right from this point solid till where, till at this one. So there it is, there it is, till at this one solid. You see, like actually that's how you approach a sectional drawing. You draw these views simultaneously. You see that my top view is half done, but now I'm going back to my what, to my front view. This one from here, this is solid without fear or favor, is going to be solid. So after is the base bottom part of it, you understand. So do I have to bother myself to record this 10mm? No, remember we did analyze what is actually this one. So now I'll be tracing my cutting plane YY, because I'm where now, I'm actually on my front view, sectioning the front view. So the YY is actually separated this and that. We did agree what this is actually this one. It's actually this one. This one was beyond, you understand, it's beyond this surface that we see. Okay, so we do not even have to bother ourselves to draw this. You understand? This one, it will disappear. This one, it's going to remain. This one is going to change to solid, solid, solid. This one, it will remain. This one, it's going to change to this one. Let me check it nicely. What is this one? So from here till here, it's going to remain. From here till here, it's going to change to dark. Yes, it will be like that. So from here till here, from here till here, it's going to change to dark, dark, dark. From here till here, it will disappear. You understand? It will disappear. So from here till here, it will disappear. From here till here, it will remain, 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 changing it to be dark. So after I've drawn this one, what can I draw now? What can I draw now? Let me go up. Up with what? From here till here is 30. It's the one that we started with, isn't it? It's the one that we started with, and from here till here is diameter what? 19. So it's still the same 19. So I can simply just record it from my top view from here till here, placing it to your center. Now I come and place it to the center. I mark this side and mark the side. After I've gotten my marks, I can now have this one faint, have this one faint. So it's going to be not a straight corner. It's not going to be a straight corner.